Hey there, this is Akshat Madan and welcome back to a new video, and in this video we are going to see how Atlassian hires. This video will be super helpful for all those freshers and the students who are in third year, second year, and they are going to sit for the placements or for the internships for the first time. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the company page of Atlassian that is already live on the Resumepal website. You can also go through it by your own, but let's go through it together so that I can also share some extra insights which you are not going to find out in this company page. Okay, so just go on resumepal.app and you just have to go to the placement prep tab. Over here, because we are trying to prepare for the placements through a company, so I'll just select a company tab. And over here, you need to select the Atlassian because we are currently interested in learning how Atlassian hires. So first of all, you can basically see the basic information like what exactly is Atlassian, what they do, how many employees they have, where are they based off. So all that basic information you can find out on the top. Then we have three main tabs. First one is how they hire. Second one is the interview experiences of the people who have already given the interviews at Atlassian for the SDE position. Then we also have the salaries information about Atlassian. Now let's go through the tabs one by one. First of all, the recruitment process at Atlassian. So we have seen that there are mostly 3 to 5 rounds at Atlassian. For the on-campus, there are around 4 rounds. The first round is the online round, the aptitude round, or the basic MCQ questions related to programming language or programming concepts, OP concept, DBMS concept will be asked. So this will be the online round, and this is a aptitude round, we can say that. Then comes the 2 technical rounds. In these rounds, the focus of the employer will be on the resume, projects that you have mentioned, if you have any past experience or not. And they might give you a problem statement, and you might have to share your screen. Go to the Google Docs, then you both have to solve that problem together. So my recommendation will be that don't jump on the optimal solution at the first. The time duration for these rounds will be 45 minutes to 1 hour. So invest first few minutes in designing the solution of that problem, and you can also tell the brute force method and then reach to the optimal solution step by step, right? So the questions are usually asked from the topics of arrays, trees, and dynamic programming. So we can say that the question level is of medium, not very hard, not easy. So if you have solved around 100 to 150 lead code problems of medium, then you are good for the Atlassian rounds. Let's see the next thing, that is what are the topics covered in the technical interviews. It is mostly the operating system, DBMS, data structures, algorithms, deadlocks, thread. So we can say that OS topics which you usually study in the computer engineering syllabus. And then you have the DBMS concept. So usually the DBMS concepts, operating system concepts, are judged based on the projects that you have mentioned. So you should be clear that if you have built a project X and you have used NoSQL database, why did you use NoSQL database? If you chose to go with SQL database, why? Right? So you should be able to answer those questions. How can I prepare for the online coding test? So there are multiple websites. Definitely Resumepal is a wonderful website where we have already divided a complete topic, let's say web development, into small subtopics. Let's say data structure into small web subtopics. So you can just go there and click a template and you can give a mock interview, or you can also find out the flashcards, last minute practice cards. There also you can find out. Other websites are definitely Geeks for Geeks is a wonderful website where you can find out a lot of MCQs, you can find out a lot of DSA related problems, whether they are coding problems or they are the multiple choice questions. You can find out, right? Duration, we are seeing that the test duration is of 90 minutes and it includes 3 problems worth 50, 75 and 10 marks. These marks distribution can change time to time, region to region, college to college. So this may vary, but around 3 to 4 questions you can expect in these rounds. HR round, so again you can go on Resumepal, you can select the HR interview template, just give 2-3 mock interviews and you're good for this HR round. So for this, I'm not telling you to just memorize the company's culture and values, vision and mission, but you should be aware how can you be good at team building skills, or how to have like basic communication skills. These skills are usually judged in the HR rounds. Are there any specific project I should highlight? So basically focus on those projects which includes the tech stacks which Atlassian is already using, such as Java, Python, AWS, Docker are particularly are the tech stacks which are used in Atlassian. So try to build those projects or mention those projects which are using these tech stacks. What kind of coding questions are asked? Usually the common topics, arrays, linked list, trees, graph, DP. So DP is usually getting asked, so make sure that you practice at least 20 problems of DP on lead code. Medium level is also okay. how important is the knowledge of operating systems and DBMS? So as I told that it is usually judged on your projects. So usually they will see your resume and they have found that, okay, so you have built an e-commerce application. Then they will ask you which database did you use. So you'll say that, hey, I used MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database. Then their next question will be why. So you will say that, hey, so because my data is not following a particular schema, my products catalog can have different types of product schema. So that's why I went ahead with the NoSQL database, that is a MongoDB database. Right. So such questions basically they will be asked on your resume projects. Okay. So like this, you can also read out the other questions. So like, what are the work culture at Atlassian? What are the growth opportunities at Atlassian? And what benefits does Atlassian offer? So for benefits, you can also see this box. Health insurance, working hours, remote work options are also there. Employee stock purchase plan is also there. Generous parental leave is also there, right? So these are some of the benefits that Atlassian offers. After reading these basic questions which you have in mind regarding the hiring process, you can actually see the interview experiences of the people who have already given the interviews here. So we have divided it into a particular schema. So you can see that you can also collapse it, and you can see that there are 2 interview experiences uploaded on Resumepal website. First of all, what was the overall experience? Then what was the round 1 content? Like this was the round 1. It was an online test. Difficulty level is 3. That is, it was kind of hard. Then 90 minutes, and these are the problems that were asked. Then round 2, then round 3. So round 3 was system design round. So usually it is not asked from the freshers, but if you know the basic concepts of system design, then also it is okay. The complex problems of system design won't be asked from the freshers or from the interns, right? Then round 4 will definitely be an HR round. So make sure that you read something about STAR method and team building skills, management skills, communication skills, soft skills, right? So these are some of the questions that you should be aware about when you are going for the HR round at Atlassian. Okay. Then at the bottom you can see the salaries. These numbers may vary from region to region, job title to job title, campus to campus. These numbers may vary, but this is a general idea of the salaries at Atlassian for the technical positions. Okay. So this is the company page of Atlassian. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have other companies also on which we will be making a video soon. So till the next video, keep learning and stay tuned with Resumepal. Thanks a lot.